This link will be your best helper to increase your subscribers. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an auto-subscribe link for your YouTube channel. Let's start! Welcome to my channel. My name is Ola from Income Ola, and today I'm going to show you how to make subscribe link for YouTube channel. When somebody click on this link, if he's still not subscribed to your channel, he will see a little pop-up on his desktop screen which asks him if you want to subscribe to your channel, which is a great call to action without you even asking them to subscribe. You can put this link in your description when you're promoting your channel on other medias, on your website. So how you gonna make it? Well, it's actually pretty simple and it includes only 2 steps. First, we're going to find your YouTube URL. Then you're gonna add something, little piece of code that you can add to your URL, and then it will be a complete link. Then I suggest you to shorten it. Well, it's actually a 3rd step, but it's not mandatory, so you can leave it very long or you can shorten it, which will be a 3rd step. So it's actually 3 steps. So if you're interested in doing this, let me show you how to do that. First, you have to find the URL of your channel. And if you don't know it, it's easy to find. Go to incognito window and go to YouTube, and then just YouTube search yourself. Income Ola. And now here you see your URL. Highlight your URL, copy and paste it somewhere. I use word counter because I'm using it a lot. Now the 2nd step is just add a little piece of code to it, and the piece of code is this one. So it's $sub_confirmation equals 1. Now highlight the whole thing, and this is your link. I suggest you shorten it because then it's just more appealing and more easy to use. But if you want to use it like that, you can copy and paste it in every place you can think about where you promote yourself. I'm gonna use Bitly because I love Bitly. I like to use Bitly. You just click create link, you paste your long URL, and it automatically generates this little cute small link. The copy, and now you can paste it in your video descriptions, in your other medias, social medias, on your websites. Give it to your friends, and whoever click on this, and if he is not subscribed to your channel yet, you will see a little pop-up with a call to action to subscribe. This is gonna increase your subscribers and will help your channel to grow. I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.